Planning a trip to Egypt? Here's a quick guide to the essential documents you'll need for a smooth journey. First, ensure your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your planned departure from Egypt. Depending on your nationality and travel plans, you may also need a yellow fever vaccination certificate if traveling from a high-risk area, proof of accommodation, like a hotel reservation, evidence of sufficient funds for your stay, a return or onward ticket. Applying for an e-visa, you'll need a valid passport, a recent photograph, details of your travel itinerary, a valid credit or debit card for payment, a valid email address to receive your e-visa. Before you go, double-check all your documents and ensure they meet Egypt's entry requirements. With the right documents in hand, you're all set to explore the wonders of Egypt.